How to send SMS messages with Brevo. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to send SMS messages with Brevo. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Brevo, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Brevo, it is a comprehensive relationship marketing platform that offers a suite of tools for email marketing, marketing automation, customer relationship management, and more. And also the platform is designed to streamline marketing efforts by providing features such as drag and drop editor for creating visually appealing emails, a brand library for consistent branding, and automation builder for sophisticated workflows. And Brevo also includes free CRM for managing sales processes and automating tasks. And how to proceed, you could also sign up using the link in the description or click the sign up free button in here, where you can sign up using your email account, Google address, Facebook, and many more. After signing in, you will be directed on this homepage of Brevo. However, it will show us on the left side panel the option including home, contacts, campaigns, automation, transactional, conversations, deals, meetings, calls, and many more. However, there is no option in here, as you can see on the left side panel, that can lead us or could help us to send the messages using Brevo. Now at this point, in order to do that or to send messages with Brevo, we need to install some application using our Shopify account in here. So all you need to do is simply sign in your Shopify, and on the left side panel, you'll be able to see some of the options, but just proceed by clicking this Add Apps button in here. And upon clicking on it, just click this Shopify App Store, then you will be directed on the next tab. And after that, all you need to do is simply search here on the top panel, the search bar, and search Brevo. And upon searching on it, you will be able to see all of the results that is associated with Brevo. But just click this push all Brevo email push SMS. Then from here, you'll be able to see the overview of this application, such as using this application, you can send tailored SMS bursts by creating targeted SMS marketing campaign. And below, if you scroll down, it will show you some of the plans that they offer, such as the free plan, the plus bundle, and the power bundle. However, in those options, we're just going to install only the Shopify application push out and click the open button to proceed. Then you will be directed in here. After installing it, you also need to sign in your Brevo account in here. And after that, it will show us on the left side panel some of the options to navigate, including the home, web push, email, SMS. But at this point, under this home section, kindly click this enable now button to enable or activate this push out to your Shopify website in here. Then you will be directed in here, and as you can see under app embeds, it is currently turned on, and just click the save button on the top right corner to save the changes or activated. And after saving it, you simply go back to this page once again and just click the SMS button now or option in here on the left side panel. And upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to click the next button, and upon clicking on it once again, you'll be able to be directed on the page where all you need to do is to simply enter your email address that you also use in creating your Shopify online store. And after that, you simply enter here your phone number, and you also need to verify using the OTP that has been sent on your SMS. Then you're also required to select here the countries where your audience is located. Then you have here the option to choose the SMS type, such as toll-free number and short code. But in those options, just choose this toll-free number to get a dedicated business number that cost effective for smaller campaigns. And after that, you will be directed in here where all you need to do is to simply fill out all of this required information, such as about your company information, company name, corporate website, your business address in here, the contact information details, the type of SMS messages and proof of opt-in, and many more. Then you will now be able to send SMS using Brevo, but using this contact option under this brevo.com, it will show you in here where you can send your SMS in here, all of your contact, where you could also add the contact in here or create a new one by filling out your first name, the last name, email address, the contact information number, and many more. So basically, all of these contacts will serve as your recipient, where you can send directly their SMS in here. And you could also navigate here on the left side panel the company's landing pages and even the list of your contacts in here. So basically, using Brevo for SMS marketing provides a powerful tool for businesses to engage with customers effectively and also to improve their customer experience and boost ROI or return on investment throughout targeted and personalized communication. So overall, that is just basically how to send SMS messages with Brevo. Thank you.